say death before dishonor.
The scales off my eyes when I realized I was knee deep in the sin. I was a fall guy, like when Paul fell off his horse. I had to open my eyes on the road to Damascus, trying to stay away from massacres. People hearts is cold, so I'm colder than Alaska. Stack till I can't stack enough. Pull up in a brink truck. Will I gain the world and lose my soul? No, I don't think so. Got candy paint on most my cars, but still I root for Jesus, cause he's the one that saved us, gave us grace and mercy when he died on the cross. Ain't the Holy Ghost amazing? Forgave me for the times when I was ignorant, acting crazy. It could have been the signs of a king in the making.